So I first got involved in the arts. I moved into Pennygraig when I was 7 and I didn't really know what to do or where to go. We just started going to after school club, which was, you know, rough and tumble, it was bouncy castle, it was cooking and everything like that. Just happened to be on my way home one day around the back of the building and that's where drama happened and I didn't know, and someone was like, do you want to come and have a go at drama? I was like, yeah, absolutely I do. And I kind of started there and have continued ever since. I was 7 and now 23. So the partnership that Wales Millennium Centre has with Valley's Kids and Spark has really helped me, because I started out as a volunteer. I was then able to progress on to get a job within the Wales Millennium Centre. That job opportunity within the Wales Millennium Centre pushed me to get this job in Spark at the moment as a youth arts worker, and I believe that if I didn't have those opportunities in the middle, I wouldn't be where I am right now. Like I said, I started in just after school club and then I progressed on to the arts provision, and it was there that I really learned how people in the community can affect young people. And when I was about 16 I was like, this is something I really want to do, and how do I do that? So I went off to Swansea UWTSD's campus to study applied drama, and it was there that I really just fell in love with it all over again and was like, yeah, this is definitely what I want to do. And I always say to people that if I was never a part of Valley's Kids, Spark, having the opportunities with the Wales Millennium Centre's partnership, I wouldn't be where I am right now, and I want to be able to offer those opportunities that I had as a young person to the future generation of young people coming through. It's really important that the Wales Millennium Centre offers these Creative Voices courses in the valleys, because a lot of these young people don't have the resource or the capacity to be able to jump on a bus or jump on a train. So having it on their doorstep, having it in a community where they feel safe and they feel nurtured and they know people and they have relationships is actually really beneficial for these young people.